Right, so I'm going to demonstrate the new leg press by Phoenix Strength. One of the first things you'll notice when you get on this is we've got 2 foot plates here, which means that we can actually work our legs unilaterally, which I'll show in a moment. It's currently set up to bilateral position or setting, which means that I can work the foot plate as one machine, as you would typically. So I'll give you a quick demonstration of that, then I'll show you how it works unilaterally. So just like a typical leg press, I'm going to put these down here, hold on to the handles to my sides, and you'll notice as well with this foot plate that it's actually got 2 angles. So I've got my feet positioned low right now, and because of that, you'll find that there's a greater emphasis on my knees, or more specifically on my quads. My knees are going to flex more, which is going to activate more of my quads. Whereas I can really quickly and easily just position my feet higher, which is going to change the loading and the positioning quite a great deal. So you'll now see when I come down here, there's far less flexion in my knees, far more flexion in my hips, which is going to help emphasize more of the glutes and the hamstrings. So depending on what you want to work, you've obviously got a fair bit of versatility with this machine, and you can really quickly change between the 2. Another cool feature of this machine is how easy it is to adjust these here. These are the spotting rails. So I can maneuver these up here and perform like a dead stop leg press. If I was someone that had knee issues, that's something that is really easy to do. So break up that eccentric concentric chain, take off a little bit of pressure off the knees, or if I didn't want that, I can adjust it. Obviously you're always going to be nice and safe on here. There's a setting where I can just really easily clip this forward, pull it back, lock it down, and then I can actually work these plates individually. So the benefit of this obviously is that it becomes like a lunge. A lunge, we're working 1 leg at a time, squat we're working 2. Now I can just isolate 1 leg at a time. So really develop my unilateral strength and do exactly the same motion, but isolate the leg. So a few really cool, unique features with this machine that you wouldn't typically get on many other leg presses. So definitely something to consider, and I think you'll be very grateful you did.